I hit your FaceTime on the late night. You say you don't need no one.
Hey bosses, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tokslaboss. So today I'm going to be showing you bosses how to style your clothing. So if this is a video you know you're into and you're like, I bought this piece, I don't know how to style it, today in this video I will be showing you how I style some of the pieces that I received and how you can do the same. But before we get into the video, if today's your first time literally seeing my face, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget, girl, to hit that like. That helps me a lot to let me know that you're feeling the video, that then I can create more videos like this for you, boss babe. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's get it.
One life to live, but that's when me you go hard. Tomorrow no promise, so me not on me hard. Man live without limit, man in it to win it. Live without limit. Yeah.
This is the outfit I literally wore over the weekend. Mind you, it had snowed like probably 2-3 days prior to us going to Baltimore. So everything that I was pretty much picking was try to layer and layer. And more layer, the more warm you're gonna be. Even though you're trying to be cute, you still have to layer your looks. And it's very cold right now where I live. With you layering your looks, you can definitely kill it regardless, okay? So the first look I put on top of the thing was a little sweater shawl. So I went in with mine. It's supposed to be a shirt, a t-shirt, but it's like a long t-shirt with a slanted side. So I got it in black because black definitely make people look slimmy. You want to look good in your clothes, you got to incorporate some waist trainers. You got to incorporate some little stockings under your dresses. It holds everything in and then it brings your looks together. I added my pants. The pants that I added to it was like a, you know, the new reddish color that the winter that everybody was wearing last year, even though we just got into this year. This color is still a trend. And I added my boots to this look. I got this fur jacket that I incorporated with the look and it was giving amazing. So the whole look came together. I mean, like we were literally driving in a car for like an hour and a half. I don't leave the house. I don't even care if I'm going to be sitting in the car for like an hour and a half. I still want to feel my best. And if you're the type of boss babe that really like dressing up and you have lost that touch, you need to get back to you, girl, because that's something that makes you feel like yourself, you know. So you want to incorporate these kind of looks. Just find like a key piece and then play with the rest, and that's how you get a really great look. The whole look was on a budget. It was very cheap, very affordable, and I will leave the link down below. Make sure you're following my LTK. Make sure to check that link out. Thank you bosses so much. I hope you love that look. If you're out there and you love the look, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you're commenting down below. Let me know what you like about the look. Okay, that was the first look. So let's move on to the next look. So the next look, my friend was having a birthday dinner, and pretty much I went in with this blazer dress. I got the blazer dress in a large, and I added my thrifted belt in with this fur heels because give it a vibe. And the heels definitely brought it together, as opposed to jewelry, especially my earring. Bosses, I got this earring like probably like a year ago from Shein, but that earring has been a standing piece. Every time I wear it, I'm telling you, I literally get a whole lot of compliment, and people definitely want me to send them the link, and I've sent the links to multiple people so far. So yeah, bosses, if you like that earrings, make sure you're getting it on my LTK link. All the outfit link is going to be listed down there for you bosses to incorporate into your daily look. As you can see in this video, the only key piece, right, was the blazer dress. And I used that key piece to find more items to make the look pop even more. And that's how you have to be. You have to like literally just try to think outside the box, and nobody is going to look like you. That's the best part about just being you and just being able to dress how you want to dress. God did his big one, because he did something inside our brain where it's like, we're all human beings, but our mindset is strictly different. And the way we put pieces together, I feel like that's the most amazing thing ever. We think differently, our thoughts process are differently, and everything like that. By the end of the day, we are all humans. Isn't that cool? That's amazing. Give God a hand for that. I like that. I like that. But yeah, moving on, bosses. And so the next look, the beautiful, it looks like a shawl, like an overcoat kind of thing. It's giving the drip effect. And boss says this item is definitely for summer. But I was like, yeah, it's a summer piece, alright, but I still want to wear it in the winter. So how can I incorporate this summer piece into a winter look and still make it look nice and still keep the summer vibe going? So I pretty much put in this off-shoulder mesh top. I put it under. Shawl is literally meant to wear with a jeans. It looks so nice by itself, but I'm like, it's cold outside. How can I wear this look? So I incorporated that. I saw the mesh top under, and it was like off shoulder, and then I put the shawl on top. As I put that piece on top, bosses, the whole look came together. And my tights, and my heels, and my little bag, and bosses, this whole look was it was just a go. And don't forget your nice stud earrings. But yeah, bosses, that's the look. And the thing about this video, I want you to know, just find a piece of clothing that you love and then work your whole outfit around that piece. And those are meant to be entwined with one another. Really what I love about fashion, and first impression is everything. When you're hitting the streets, always try to keep your looks up to par. Even if you just have a blazer on or a nice shirt, always just try to keep yourself looking decent. Because human beings look at that, you know. But in the eyes of God, God doesn't look at that. Like, that doesn't determine how much you're worth. God wants us to love each and every one of us equally, okay? So I hope that like prove a point to you. Even though this video is about fashion and stuff like that, I just want you to know clothing does not determine your worth. But you just have to know human beings, they are very like cynical and weird about that. They want to meet people that looks nice. You can meet the brokest person in the world, dressed nice, but he doesn't have a mind. He doesn't have anything to bring to the table. So with that being said, judge at your own risk, okay? Moving on. That was a lot, but just let's move on. The piece to this look was the skirt, hands under it, but it looks like a skirt. I love the whole flames around it. This look was for like me and my friends. Them after dinner, we were planning to go out. Added the tie-high boots, the sweater top, and my waist trainers was under there, and the whole look just came together. I mean, I got so many compliments on this look, and I also had people that were not in favor of the look. So with that being said, if you're not on that path where you're dressing a little bit modest, this look would definitely not be for you. Moving on from that look, when we were coming back, much the same sweater because we're coming back home, but I still have my stud, my earrings, and everything like that, you know, with my tights, my Steve Madden sneakers, my sweater, and of course my fur jacket, and I was ready to go. Like I said, it was like an hour-and-a-half drive, so I wanted to be even more comfortable. No Steve Madden sneakers, it has a little glitter to it, definitely had me feeling like a girly girl, but still like a little swaggy with it. So this whole look was 10 out of 10 for me because it was simple, it was easy, put it on, and I was out the door. Let's talk about the nightwear that I wore when I went over there. It was very comfortable. It was two different nightwear. The first nightwear was this one right here, and the second one was the one that I wore throughout the video. My sister actually gave that to me when we went to where was it, Minnesota. She brought it on the trip and we wore it throughout our trip. Like that, I love that pajama so much, and I'm so glad my sister gave it to me. And it was just like something so simple and so comfortable. You know, all my looks that I pretty much styled when I went out of town for a bit, and I just wanted to showcase it in this video because I got a lot of like tags, oh, where did you get this? So I'm doing this video basically so people will be able to just click on these links, go get the fit and rock it out, make it your own, or do it the way I did it and rock it out for the winter. Hope you love this video on how I style my clothing. If this is something you know you're definitely interested in, make sure to like the video and make sure to comment down below. Thank you bosses so much. I see you bosses next time in my next video. God bless. Bye-bye. Much love, and once again, Happy New Year's. I hope this new year bring you everything and more. It's not easy out here, don't get me wrong, but you can do it. Keep pushing, keep being amazing.